To access the bobbin area of your FHSM-318 mini sewing machine, just flip your machine around and you're going to see a little button here, and just press on that and you'll notice that your bobbin needle plate has lifted up, and just pull that right up and out. And flip back your machine here and you'll see your bobbin right in there. Let me zoom in here. Okay, so there's your bobbin, and you can just pull that right out. Now you'll notice a lot in these mini sewing machines, you'll see a magnet down in the bobbin area, and these mini sewing machines are very unique in that they're magnetized in their bobbin area, and that's how they function. I don't really understand it myself. If anybody understands how it works, I would love for you to comment in the comment area. So the instruction manual doesn't really tell you which direction your thread should go when you load this bobbin back into your machine. Now, I have found, and I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Do you see that little notch right in there on your bobbin case? Normally, your thread, your bobbin thread, will sit into that little notch area. So let me zoom back out here. Okay, so normally when you load your bobbin, your thread will sit into that notch, and see how the thread is coming from this direction here? The thread will normally come back onto itself. Let me see if I can angle this. So it will come back onto itself like that. So if my finger here is the notch, and it's spinning counterclockwise, the thread will come back onto itself, and that actually provides a little bit of tension. So I've kind of messed around with this a little bit, and I've tried both ways. I've tried loading it in with the thread coming off the top left side, and I've tried with it coming off the top right side, and I've definitely found that I have better results with it coming off the top left side. So you're just going to drop that in. Now, if you find that you get better results loading it the other direction, by all means, definitely, whatever it takes to get good tension. So you'll just drop your bobbin right into there. And to pull up your bobbin thread, I'm going to zoom back out again. Okay. To pull up the bobbin thread, you want to hang on to your needle thread with just a slight bit of tension, and turn your hand wheel in a downwards counterclockwise direction. You can actually see that there's an arrow here indicating that they always want you to turn your hand wheel in a downwards direction. And you'll just give it one complete turn, and it just pulls that bobbin thread right up. And as I lift up on my needle thread, you can see a little loop. I'm going to zoom in again. Can you see that little loop that made? There's the bobbin thread right there. And you just pull on that loop, and that has your bobbin thread coming right through the hole in your needle plate. The bobbin thread will come right through there. And you just want to place your bobbin cover. Oops, I have that the wrong way. there's a little notch. That notch goes toward the back. Well, I guess there's two notches. One, this notch sticks straight out, and then this notch comes downwards. So the notch that goes downwards goes toward the back of the machine. So you'll just line that notch up and just snap it right back into place. And there you go. And you've got your bobbin all loaded.